Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of a flower in the shape of an octopus. Let's go. Start the slip knot, then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert your hook in first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 15 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2. I crocheted 15 single crochets. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip one stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a slip stitch. Chain 4, skip one stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a slip stitch. Please repeat 8 more times. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. At the last time, chain 4, then make a slip stitch in first stitch. Make a single crochet in first space. Make a half double crochet in same space. Make 3 double crochets together. 1, 2, and the last time. Make a half double crochet in same space. Then make a single crochet. Repeat in all spaces. Make a single crochet. Make a half double crochet. Make 3 double crochets. Make a half double crochet and make a single crochet. Repeat in all spaces, then meet me. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first stitch. Turn your work. Insert your hook into the lower loop between these two petals. Then make a slip stitch. Chain 2. Then make a slip stitch in the 2 lower loops of the first double crochet of the next petal. From the back, please. Chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Please be careful not to twist the chains. Skip one stitch, then make a single crochet, next stitch, make a half double crochet, next stitch. Make 8 double crochets in next 8 stitches. This is my 1 double crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and the last time. Make a half double crochet in next chain. Make a single crochet in last chain. Please go under, go right, chain 1, make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make a slip stitch to crochet a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches, then chain 3, make a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches, chain 3, then make a pocket. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 stitches. We are now at the top of the petal, chain 3, then make a pocket. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 stitches, chain 3, then make a pocket. Crochet symmetry, 1, 2, 3 single crochets, chain 3, then make a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, then make a pocket. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches, chain 3, then make a pocket. Then make 2 single crochets in next 2 stitches. This is my 1 and 2. Then join it. Make a slip stitch in the lower loops of the third double crochet, then make a slip stitch. Chain 2. Insert your hook in the lower loop between these 2 petals, then make a slip stitch. Chain 2, Then make a slip stitch in the 2 lower loops of the first double crochet of the next petal. Chain 13 and repeat again. Please repeat 8 more times. I crocheted 8 petals. At the end, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. I'm happy to answer any further questions you may have. Wait for other interesting tutorials from me. Have a nice one. Bye.